Hello guys, Khalid Davids here, and today we've got the Phaewo Wings X6 hoverboard. This is coming on Amazon and I'll be leaving links to this on the description. It currently has 6.5-inch wheels and 350 watt power. Its endurance mileage is 20 kilometers and it can load up to 120 kilograms, which is the max weight of most humans. It has a European plug for charger and also has a UK British kind of plug. So these are just two of them, and here's the main charging brick where it plugs into. Overall seems pretty solid so far. We've got a little card which is also 3 months extended warranty, and if you go to this link here, there's a little video manual. But for now, I'll be unboxing this. We've got a little user guide showing the functions in different languages. Yeah. Wait, let's take these two out. And here we have the hoverboard itself. Let's put that down. It's got a bit of weight to it. And last thing in the box is a carrying bag to carry the hoverboard in case we're not using it, in case you want to put in the back of a car. Also, it's got a little water bottle pouch, which is pretty handy, especially if carrying this on your back. Overall, it's pretty neat. Very solid accessories. So now here we've got the main thing itself, the Phaewo Wings X6 hoverboard. And now let's get into it. The Phaewo Wings X6 comes in black and blue. And it's got a nice matte finish to it. Here we have our power button to turn it on, a little beep, and here's our charging port. This is also waterproof, as long as you don't submerge this in water. So in rain or anything like that, it would all be fine. We've got some little stickers, risk of serious injuries, but as long as you use it sensibly, you'll be fine. This has also been verified and complied with many safety standards, so you don't need to worry about this exploding or not meeting any quality expectations you may have. So it's currently on full battery. Let's spin this quickly. So here we have a light, so we know when it's moving, and here it shows us that we have full battery. I think this shows us when it's on low battery or when it's charging. So overall, it seems quite solid. Here are the 6.5-inch rubber wheels. No need to worry about the punctures. It's pretty nice. Got a little bit of Phaewo branding there. And overall, it's done quite good in the unboxing. Okay, I'll be leaving a review coming up soon. And for now, take care. Links are in the description. This is for Phaewo Wings X6. You won't be disappointed with this. And peace.
I'm a stylish guy.